Early Bilangur, Lola Patrick, Wendy Lola Patrick Town, and Laura Bray. But Paro Lola Patrick, Fairfair, Coolies, Tyson, William Patrick, Rayla, Takar, and Droid. Big Bucket, Eagle, Tilple, Coma, Biggie, Flahoolik, or Kupla Tum to Stakan. So, Nate Patrick, Mabel to Ray, Harishtak, Kabila Hungary.
Oh, that I think that is the great dancing.
See you later. I should have been passing here normally. So wait. They'll be passing now, should we see? You know what I mean?
So we're up at the Kayla Nate Patrick, Potteron, Nate Patrick, Kabila Hungary. Darno, Queen Shivery, Bilan, Agonian Shaw, and the top of the Jim Bahar and Maggie. Put a boss boy.
Break. In. Go.
That's where they live. He's still coming. He didn't come in for mulch getting around those things.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's coming back to all the white meat.
Tá Keir Drummond array, and Keir Drummond actually tapping his ground with the nomad. Now coming start the year up for us the year later. So actually tapping his ground with the second.
Huh?
Sit there. How did you get that?
Darling, come to Bush down and speed of 3 out. I met my love where the gas dogs fall around. An cén drama na cum an scorgan íomh taróistí of léire. Buní an cumann seo mí dearna fór fé dó tá hartar 8 buileán idir daoine ó bíal an gairid agus an tíile. Dar nó casaigh sin de chéile agus tu sin déisiúnta daoine casaigh de chéile. Agus bíon bingo cártaí, magnet coffee, tá gan íon is speisialta státaí roiint pedólas atá agus tá sé harabh gníomh. Dar nó tá sin an dar brí leile Franklin sin sculta chuna bheith mar ball. A dearn tú Franklin Bagman? So Bula Bossmore, the common scored Geneva, Paros to the Atlera. Fair play, big touch of Geneva. Bula Bossmore, delivery. An cén drama na chalíní idir óg agus not so óg, muintir na Dunbarra, bhúil si trídí go mna faoi tarde agus nó na chalíní sótar a bhfuil an céad na bhúil. Tá anmór an cúta an drum seo agus tá si go lón neart an airth dar nó, tá géilis an mother than other, so Bula Bossmore goid for Susan Curran sin chalíní lever doin. An céad drama in a lads óga cumann talibéal an gairid, go muinú réid, agus tá éachtain go cinntatá níana go bhúil siad céad na cúntaí, gan rud a bheith a bhuac in hóí seo, chomá agus léad le na Dunbarra agus béal an gairid. Is cumann seo mar partner to réid, but bhí sin ceol dara. Go there. Dar nó tá go fáilte is go rih na dtíine óga agus liscom cétán chatar bhí chatarsúlata go ag an roiin cadacéiríán ar énos. Dar nó tá bucaidí dul timpeall bhí fior flathú leo Darno Kermit Fall to the Gotland, a clown show, or what in the Ella, Pascal Drum on Ryan Crown come on, I just Kermit Fall to the Dina show. But our Ryan Beanie talk finish. Okay. Perfect. Susan Chinese. Nave Government, Sean Nave Government, Torpula Bosmore, Nave Government. Here to Noreen. Pula Bosmore, the Nave Government. Linear Town, Perfect Noreen. Lily Sheridan. Dougie O'Sheridan, talk to them. Mr. Bean at on show again. A birthday talk to them going. Turn I guess Super Frank ba? To sa Frank ba? Yeah, by talking to Vietnamese for no Frank or Martin. Pula boss to eh. Here can you get the tough going. We go in and look for a Kester, K2 Fenny. Some Michael Healy, Agastano, K2 Fenny. Danny Healy, just can't forget the chips and show Kirk enough.
So lost there, good enough.
A loss here again. We've been in loss here, it might be Danny Healy, Ray Boulevard, or
It's Mr. Elvis Presley.
Mr. Elvis Presley, we didn't know wrong with the thing. Elvis Presley, Boulevard Moore to Elvis Presley. Like Trophy Town, fair play, but Mahapa. Isa Kriyaski Katan Shohanesh. K2 Fene.
It's Mr. Donald Trumpa.
Donald Trump, Isa Kriyaski Katan Rogutsa. Oh, Kupla Fogra.
Tom Kupala Horsus in the Bela House in Chigila.
Bela House in Chigila, Ken Falk and in Chigila to command a Makaba? Oh, fair play, got Kali Captain Chifuishin. Agus and Dara Fogra.
Tom Kupala Kanakas. I knew a career.
Wat ik kunnen Google aan kanaal, dus geen tijd met dat te kunnen.
Awesome, Durval Gustavo.
Awesome, Durval Gustavo, Biela on der Garage. Now, Brumpton is spelled gum good. Now, Bowler Shamrock, gum winter Biela on der, the Donald Trump. Amy got an action and ended. Angini Lara Manulina and a binary. Pula Bosmore goal, Donnie Gidavi and Puran and Churchin in the rock. Pula Bosmore to the clear and Chen.
Anava.
Mar a dúras libh tá bocéidí timpeall na háite, go gur mé dhéanamh mé hain. Higí fíor flathú leis an bocéid. Tá cúpla pingin is dathol más le bordala. Cúpla pingin bhfuil éon cúpla pingin fair dégas. Endan eile ní féidir an job seo dhéanamh an lá go léir. Okay, the kid drum eile na Shanglúisteán agus the territory. So tá na dúisina le brunna is dús na dtíine óga get an leir. In san céadán tá Donald Trump. Búla bás mór na áingí léire mar Donald Trump. Búla bás mór de. Okay, so dará tá Siopar Frank, beidir go dtí tú an seo chun é bhúna Frank beidir hall. Tar an seo man. Mar sin, Wilde a Lisa, tá sí san seo. Running Frank an dúis. Okay, Frank ag brunnan an dúis na. Fiachar, Noreen Frank. Búla bás mór na Bert Carlini. Anawa, fair play, babe. Pagard agus Dave. Agus an kid drumming on the Healy Rays. Búla bás mór dul. Victory Lera. Dina agus Durban. Búla bás mór na dtíine óga go léir an sin léibhéid. An is go sean glomstán, ars go hondul go go túm agus iad sin go léir. Tá tú réile gondul go fair play agad. Búla bás mór dul go léir. Ach iad atá ag fiat an gdas. Anwa, milisig ang karamihan ng tatak nila tayo tumakuha. Limurang luz ang left of Arenas. Agus an iste Carabore.
You don't talk about Atlantis, I was lost beneath the sea. I'm the grave of the unknown soldier, on a fiery airman she.
Okay, so the North Road Combination is that the Dakar Cadunker after took up Ian O'Hannon being killed Tormy or Craggy Island and his father Ted or in Telefish. Darno, you should sit and take the Farage Day and hear him in Galiba. I guess Darno, Tashin Fosin shot up Pat Mustard in Combination. Paddy's phone up Manga over again or one the Beckett to Patata Trappers on some van. So Pat Mustard originally. Full of Osmore, the Pat Mustard. Ma couple of the Banga Posig Pat Mustard, the Ton Van Loniga, come on, Tommy Gapper. Full of Os, the Pat Mustard. So Darno, get I talk to man, come I cap a good of Father Jack, so call you Roha, I guess Mrs. Doyle, really Mrs. Doyle.
Sit down.
Fiaker talked. Mrs. Doyle took up on thing, Davina, Michi lack of customs and Shan, Mrs. Doyle young. Father Jack on Maul, but he's talking to the loose our foes. Kapante, hey Kapante, what's Mrs. Doyle? Father Jack, come on, put a loose foot in. Up to one Maul. He's coming forward with the Father Jack. Tasha took the mark on him. Mahood. A school Father Jack give a couple of fuckler off. Top of the fishkin up potini can generous.
That would be an equipitical matter.
Oh, you said Chris, on the fucklish on more and Martin dos serenos. Come here, Mrs. Doyle, we should a couple of buckler off.
Do you like a cup of tea, Father?
I'd love more than a cup of tea this morning or what.
Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
On what? Who of us more than Father Jack and Mrs. Doyle? Birthday talk finish. On the vecchio town. Okay, that was Dougal Tommy Kappa. On the vecchio finish. Who of us more than Ted was Dougal? Okay, full of us more the Ted and Father Ted is Father Dougal. Okay, the place to this. This one came in the kid's birthday letter. I talked with the placards that go around us. Father Frost is Father Demo. Ashley Tapinish. That's our street jet park. Full of us more the Father Frost is Father Demo. Ultimate is payment on. Destiny Gaelic Thomas and the Close coming up. I full of boss board in the Bertha Kashud. Bertha Lay Toctanish. John Agus Mary. Oh, he's big Mary, Campbell father, and Maddie Crusher. She didn't his tapu the father Jack and Carrier Roher and us. Actually, took the mock together. Singing Agus Eat in the town. John Agus Mary, took the mock Mary, and she could moil of it. Oh, Mary could come to fuck around having kappa.
Hey, I'm on the box of crunchies.
Take a ball on the box of crunchies and toss your cash.
In the box of crunchies, agree.
You should agree. You should agree. So you should tell ah, now we said no, we have to go. Bula boss board to John Agus Mary. Oh, that's in Johan Hen, Bishop Brennan Agus Tom. Dini Agus Aaron. Bishop Brennan and Pointer Douche.
God bless you all.
God bless you all in their though.
Do you want to see what my dad did to me there now?
Tell him to the dad.
He gave me a bit of a scratch there now.
He gave you a bit of a scratch, is it?
Yeah.
Have you any more to say about him?
Well, not anymore, but earlier I shot a man.
God above it, have you shot a man? Who was that?
My uncle, I forgot his name.
Who the boss board in the Vertica? Alberta they talked on the kappa.
So no one take it personal. You not talk about done. You think me come for done. All me have to do is send for the new gun. Anything tested. We just fly off, just head. Down the mercy.
Kill them.
Look a dill, dill, dill. So the boy get killed. Look a dill, dill, dill. You better sign on the way. Look a dill, dill, dill. The boy get killed. Look a dill, dill, dill. Look up in the barrel.
I'm first up and couple of fucking rods on a kappa.
By the way, I got the keys to your car and I drove it into a big wall. And if you don't like it, tough. And that's all that matters.
Well, fair play to you if you did that. It'd be my wife's Carolina because I'm a man. Alberta Lay talked Father Furlong, August Father Dick Byrne. Being like a Shane of town. So pull a boss, go ahead. Okay, Bula Boss Mordoi, next time we're in Lydian, we're going to come a kappa. So Bula Boss Mordoi, you should click now, folks, or we're going to Lydian, we're going to have that 8th to go on ahead. Agus is seo is tógtha le haghaidh an Eurovision. Down to the end of the high in Eurovision. So away live. Boulevard More Drive, and this is William in up the rest of Kelly Island on Trojan away there. 1 second on our Gira, train draft now, a Buin Lebronara Kama.
Milo, first stop, Milo. Focus stop, son. Focus stop, big. Yeah, ready, come in. Yeah, Milo, stop. Yeah. Sean, focus stop. Make sure you see. Come on, stop. Okay. Ready? Keep control now, back here. Ready? Okay. Keep control. Yeah.
Boulevard More Drive arranged.
I took a stroll on the old long walk of a day. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk of a fine soft day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl from the salt to the bottom of the Galway Girl. We were halfway there when the rain
Okay, Tom, kids go to the top. Need two of them cut down, so Biggie Cormac. Bicycle girls like clap, let's see the terror shots to me. In some cases, clap them usually, you know, but thoroughly in the top. The whole year. That's Sulam up again in the Moscow. Okay, 1 second. Well, you got an introduction really more try skin get down. It's Paddy Lynch at home.
Hello, Donald. How is Donald?
Very good, Paddy and your son.
Very good. Barnet. We're all here today, the fun day. And as you all know, I'm going to be retirement. Hello, Shema. First of all, you're not stuck, you're setting this up. I'm selling Annalie. What's that here? What's wrong? I'm selling Annalie. What's happening? I'm selling Annalie. I'm the gym. I'm selling Annalie. So why don't you reaching off the tap there? We're selling here on the lead. Who's going to buy it? Or we're going to have a live auction. First of all, we're going to have a live action. Do you know any lads to buy it? I'd see there. Ah, far left. Or you inside our Lee, and we're trying nice, cool punts. Mr. Kojak! Far Kojak. Sean. Hello, Billy Connell, Sean. Hello, Billy Connell. Or Sean, we're having a live action. Well, Paddy, I heard from a reliable source, and I have to laugh, Paddy. I have to laugh. I was telling you on the Lee. Well, for Sean, we're telling you on the Lee. I hope you'll be here about Funy Cather. How are you feeling?
Well, 'tis like this now, Teddy. We're going to buy our lead, and we'll give you a high-catchy drill and a bag of sticks.
Well, fortunately, I don't think that will make the cut. Have you anything else to offer me?
That's the best we can do.
I don't know, but I think I heard of two other reliable businessmen like myself to buy Bitch Farm League.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Slow down, sir. Come on, you pull your hands.
Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter. Ching, ching, bling, bling, patent pockets. You take the dollar, can't stand, so stop it. Here comes the new kid on the block. Hold on, your bets, here's where the buck stops. See, most of all, I'm stepping out on my own. Back telling my elevator to win my own throne. Sex in my blood, call it homegrown. More free testosterone.
Or it's been two big businessmen like myself, only Dennis Hartley and Patrick Clips. Or, Dennis, I see you're holding a stool. Where'd that come from?
That's okay, saying it's trying to be.
And Patrick, how are you?
Oh,
Or, I see you have a big bag in your hand, Patrick. Is it full of money?
oh.
What are you going to offer me for our money?
I made a ball of money on TikTok and there's like clothes there.
So there's no money for me, just flow.
Something like that, yeah. And you'll take it.
Well, I don't think that will get cut. Is there anyone else in this lovely audience to bid for our lead today?
Penny with a gin.
Or we with Jim there in the gosh there?
Oh, yeah.
Is there anyone else now who was coming for a bid for our lead? Anyone, no? Or would you, my three, would you bid for our lead? No money, no? What would you offer?
€1,000.
I don't think that will make the cut. But we need to try something new for taste.
I hopped on the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame and sex. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda horsey. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. It's when the taxi man turn on the radio and a Jay-Z song is on. And a Jay-Z song is on.
Let's hope you know.
And a Jay-Z song is on. So I put my hands up to play my song, but that's my way. I'm nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah. Put my hands up to play my song, and I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
For the man himself, only Donald Trump.
Excuse me. A lot of guys would parade on Patrick's Day. Not our guys would this Sunday. Quite controversial in my opinion. Just as controversial as Iman Budrich. What a great village, town, excuse me, this Ballingarry is.
For Donald, what do you think of my fine establishment?
That is the reason I'm here, just not for your Prime Minister one, it is for real estate, for business as usual. That is all I'm interested in is business, for real estate. So I got a big offer for you.
For Donald, what are you going to offer me for Arnold?
Well, on a great day like today, on Paddy's Day, surrounded by paddies, I'm only interested in you, Paddy Lynch. It's gotta be $10 million.
$10 million? What about 15?
Wrong, it's $10 million.
We'll go for that, so. DJ Dara, cue the music.
Take me to your paradise, I want to see the jungle.
Kira gan na dúplan bucket air agus tá pádraig cúr chun cúpla focail ráling. Pádraig.
Is mar a hín ar agus gur maith agus tasach opportunity chun an rud se dhéanamh. Dear Louise ar senin Cadbury Vanish ó Gora Bredla agus dúirt sé gur Vanish airgad de chur le chéile a gur an Ice Bucket Challenge. So chur Louise sí a bhfuil láthair ar GoFundMe ar leithnach ar an GoFundMe page a gur an Irish Motor Neuron Disease Association to runner. Agus tá níos mó ná €1,500 banathe across the county too. Agus cuman Frank agus an committees for the credit doing chun an Ice Bucket Challenge and an seo an parade. So without further ado, thank chun an leid seo so-called.
Cover over the kid at $8 for this like a net also. €1,500. Pula Boss more.
I can't see it. Tá leithnach fósán má hasíno éige dul agus airgad a bhuairt dóibh tá sé ar mó leithnach ar Facebook agus ar leithnach Louise freis.
Bevan, well in. Pula Boss more than the rest of them. You're talking about the whole and so much in there. Fair play, man. Okay, could make lekker rasher and off low to be bring liver dog ma having chivin chop. Fin Mac, turn shot. Okay, so Courage, play father my year on the dog floats. I was not going to get a call with the Ogan glass, it's lost the clock apart come on. I get there on Levy, we spoke with Kenneth Troll at the end of Tasha Imaha, with the Glearan Shan, Tasha Imaha, Green Drum Shaw, or my yesh. Paddy Lynch is so Jorian.
Free drink for the day.
So Kate our captain her. Pula Boss more dive. I guess we're in Finn and Dara to the drum shot. Pula Boss more than the winter Hogan shot. Okay, Siobhan turn show come. Could catch to the hin of running show Ronan Lynch, but Captain couldn't touch any sparring up mob running Siobhan or a full cat or Ronan Lynch. Or the next on show or an extra over the star. Tá an balla ceol chun tatas dacha is chun clósar for leis, ach sorry dhéanamh sin, tá buchas le dara an sin an chun an fuma chun sear fáil, copper arád a bhain se an bhá, fair play guys. Come on, Dara. Tá go leor agrú contianta, agus cíf an a dtíana tip an na stráda an seáil in the highways an Christa agratha chun bhór lá na céile go réon léir le bhordal agus dar nó Frankie héana a tamach a hír le an focus station. Búna bás mór dóid, a ganiad ní becha in lá le fráda an seo. Tá buin Tiberíbil an gairid an taptaisteach agus tá dína óga na measc, más féidir scuoineamar na cadana na cadéis. Ban ciadú riamh ar Lola Padraig tá Thomas agus Jack Green, tá Barrow Lera, tá Shosavo Lera, tá Roisin Trucks and tá Matrixta Rudy gan ar bin bháin because tá cuigar go ann. Tá siad i ciadúra ciad bhíon na fefa ach sa maithagan an ballyceol an seo le bhordal.
That's true.
3, 8, go.
Agus an duine atá an seo nua nó ná Eric ní línte go tá má an seo leis an chathair John Lynch nó. Cúla bás fér go tá. As an ceanháí an bhanis, gan dearnach. Cúla bás mór dóin. Okay, gur míle má agad gach endan bunig í tanabas an log, is in town sean níon chick oing slánir.